Exactly 1 year and 10 days ago, Ford became the first OEM to gain access to the Tesla Supercharger network. And at the time, the company announced that they were going to be providing free NACS to CCS1 adapters to all of its customers that asked for one. About 140,000 Ford electric vehicle owners raised their hand and said, yes, please send me that free adapter. I was one of them. And today, Ford is announcing they have finally fulfilled their promise and sent everyone that asked for the free adapter the adapter. Now, it's been a rough year with the free adapter. It was a great offering by Ford. I applauded it when they came out with that, but it took a year to get them all out there. And there was a number of reasons why. Basically, the supply wasn't enough. Tesla was supplying the adapter, which is this adapter here. This is engineered, designed, and made by Tesla, and they were supplying it to Ford. About a couple months in, Ford realized that we aren't going to get enough of these. So they announced that there was going to be some delays. They apologized to the customers because they don't have enough supply. And then a couple of months later, I think it was in October, they announced that unfortunately there was a batch of them that were bad, and they were asking the customers to send them back and they were going to replace them. That made matters worse. But about that time, Ford also announced that it co-developed an adapter with Electron. That's this adapter here. And this based on the Electron Vortex adapter, but it's not the same. It looks the same from the outside, but it's not exactly the same. And I made a video at the time comparing the Electron Vortex adapter to Ford's co-engineered adapter. And now that Ford has fulfilled its obligation to its customers in sending out the complementary adapters, this adapter is now available to purchase for $200 on Ford's website. So that's what we're going to do here today. We're going to talk a little bit more about Ford's adapters. Ford also has some other EV charging news that they're announcing today. And well, let's get into it. Okay, so if you are interested in getting one of these Ford NACS to CCS1 adapters, I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video for you to order one directly from Ford. And if you just want to look it up on your own, the SKU is VRK9Z10E826A. And if you're still on the fence on whether or not this is the right NACS to CCS1 adapter for you, check out this video that Ford just published to explain what went into the engineering of this specific adapter. This video was sponsored by Qmerit, North America's premier installer of electric vehicle charging equipment. After I've helped you decide which electric vehicle charger you're going to buy, follow the link in the description of my videos and have Qmerit install it. And if you follow that link, Qmerit will waive the $150 installation deposit. But in order to have the deposit waived, you must follow the link in the description of my videos.
Hi, I'm Suzanne Robinson. I work on the Ford electric vehicle supply equipment team that co-developed the Ford-branded fast charging adapter. And I'm going to take you behind the scenes of how we collaborated, we tested, and we iterated the design of the adapter for our customers. The Ford Fast Charging Adapter allows Ford electric vehicle customers to charge their vehicle while on the go at DC charge stations with NACS cables, such as compatible Tesla Superchargers. This access increases the availability of our chargers to our customers on the Blue Oval Charge Network, North America's largest public charging network. We co-developed the adapter with Electron, who is a leader in electric vehicle charging accessories, to develop a product that met strict Ford requirements and could scale to production quickly to get the adapters to our waiting customers. First, we started with durability. We know that Ford customers can be adventurous, and durability is important to them. So we co-developed robust sealing capabilities and used materials on key parts like the latch, anticipating our customers dropping their adapters over and over again. We also made it easy to use in our vehicles, from inserting and removing from the vehicle to the fit and feel in the customer's hands. This included the addition of a vehicle interlock designed to prevent accidental unplugging of the cable coupler from the adapter during charging. First, we started with a freeze test. This test simulates the adapter that has been in an environment at -40 Celsius, extreme cold, and a customer then uses this adapter to charge a vehicle. The adapter must be able to function as intended, and the customer must be able to insert, remove, and function the latches to successfully charge their vehicle. We designed a drop test to simulate customer use and adapted the design to meet Ford durability requirements. We can't forget about the potential for our customers to leave the adapters on the floor of their garage or driveway, so we developed a drive-over test. We use an F-150 Lightning to run over these adapters in multiple orientations. This demonstrates how robust the adapters are. We worked with Electron to create a comprehensive test plan around adapter functionality and durability to meet Ford requirements. This included another drop test for durability, IP-rated test, submersion test, vibration test, and wheel impact test. And now you know, when someone asks you, what's different about the Ford fast charging adapter, you can tell them that we really put it through the ringer, so our customers have the best one for their vehicle and can continue on their adventures.
And while that video does touch on some of the high-level features of the adapter, I was hoping to learn a little bit more about it. So I'm in the process of setting up an interview with Ken Williams, the Director of Charging and Energy Services at Ford, and also Chris Mywald, the CEO of Electron. I want to have both the guys on State of Charge here at the same time. We could do more of a deep dive into the technical aspects of this adapter. I should have that video shot within the next few days, so look for it next week here on State of Charge. Ford also announced some news today about its Blue Oval charging network. Before I get into that, I just want to make one thing clear. Ford's Blue Oval charging network is really a conglomeration of the existing networks that are out there. It's not like Ford has installed these chargers and maintaining them like Tesla does for its Supercharger network, or Electrify America does, or IONNA, or EVgo. What Ford does is make deals with all of these networks to include them in its Blue Oval charging network and allow its customers easy access and easy payment systems for that network to charge on those networks. So it's not Ford's proprietary network, let's say. It's really the other networks that have been installed and put in the ground, and Ford makes deals with those companies to allow its customers to have easy access. So let's take a look at what Ford had to say today about its Blue Oval Charge network. The Blue Oval Charge network has seen amazing growth and maturation from the start of 2024. It's the largest integrated public charging network in North America, now with more than 180,000 chargers at more than 50,000 charging locations. This is a more than 40% increase from early 2024. And I would think most of that increase is because they've added the Tesla Supercharger network. The number of Ford customers enrolled in Blue Oval Charge network doubled in 2024 from 2023. Compared to December 2023, the number of charging sessions on the Blue Oval Charge network nearly doubled in December 2024. February 2025 was Ford's all-time high for DC fast charging success rates on the Blue Oval Charge network, driven by reliability improvements across the network. And I have one more piece of Ford EV charging news to add here before we go. Apple Maps EV routing and CarPlay now supports Tesla Superchargers. There's no update required. All you have to do is add Tesla Superchargers as a preferred network in your Apple Maps setting, and you're good to go. They'll show up in Apple Maps for you. Well, that's all we have here today. Listen, if this is your first time here at State of Charge, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming electric vehicle news and reviews. And as always, thanks for watching.